What's going on, Josh? Kicking it crew. I know I've been giving y'all a lot of clothing videos lately. No real shoe videos. But I wanted to get in here today and really show y'all something that I've personally been waiting on for a long time. I've been waiting on these for a minute. And I planned on getting them, but I wanted to wait till they went on sale. And now they're going on sale because whatever they're coming out with new, they're going to just push these to the side because they've dropped a million colors in these. But me personally, I like better late than never. So I've been just looking for colors that I like, that I want to wear, that I want to rock. And I ain't really worried about what nobody else got going on. And that's how you should always want to rock your shoes or rock what you wear. Wear what you want to wear, not what people push you to wear or what you see people wearing. Like, wear what you want to wear. Like, because a shoe can look good on somebody else and not look good on you. So always judge it off of that, right? So always judge off what you wear about what you think that'll look good on you. No matter color, shape, size, however that may look. Make sure it's something that you are comfortable with. And for that, I present y'all these. Shout out to Snipes. Shout out to Snipes, y'all. Snipes be coming in clutch. They be coming in clutch. If y'all don't know, they be coming in clutch. Bam, bam, bam. We got the orange Nike box, y'all. The orange Nike box is in the building with the long receipt. Saved a good 50, 60 bucks on these, right? Right? That's what I told y'all. Savings gotta go crazy. In order for me to pick up something that's a crazy, I need to save some money on it. I have to. If I don't want to cop it. I don't want to look at it. I'm cheap. And I'll tell that to anybody. I'm cheap. So if I can find something that's reasonable, I'm going to go for it. So let's get into these. I'll talk enough. I don't want to make this a long drawn out video if I don't have to. So the color of these is Vault Ice and Black Spruce. Size 12. Nasty work. Real nasty work, right? Real nasty. Where you see them? You see them. You see the box. You see the box. Let's get it. Let's get into it. Look, you can see it peeking out. You can see it peeking through. So, this is the Nike Pegasus Premium. Nike Pegasus Premium. For this to be premium, the boxes is trash. Like, the boxes be trash. I don't understand premium. I don't get it. What's the premium about it, right? But anyways, here y'all go. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. This is a light shoe. This is an air all across the whole bottom of the shoe. It's very light. Like, it's very light. Like, I am holding this like with nothing. The uppers is all mesh. It's meant to be breathable. This is a running shoe. Great traction across the bottom. Great traction across the bottom. With that zoom in the bottom. Once again, I said that's all that everything is all across, all the way around. This is a Pegasus. I've had Pegasus before. They got the Zoom Pegasus. They have the this is the Premium Pegasus, and they have a couple different Pegasus. I've been looking at this one ever since they dropped the first one, which is the black one, and I've been trying to get my hands on them, but I didn't want to pay the price of them, which is $220. I wasn't looking on praying that. These was on sale for $159 if I'm not mistaken, and that is a steal when it comes to premium sneakers. So you got that tag on the back with the Pegasus logo on it. You can see that. Focus now for me, baby. Focus. So you can see that. Bam. Let's see. You focus on. You focus on. But you see, it's a wing. It's a wing. So, bam. It's a wing on there. It say Pegasus Premium at the toe right here. Inside it say Pegasus, if you can see that. And this is a size 12. I haven't tried them on. You have the Nike React, the Nike ZoomX, and you have the air bubble across the whole bottom of these. And when I tell you, they are light as hell. And y'all know I don't tie shoes up, so we shall see how these fit. I needed some new workout shoes. I needed some new walking shoes. We shall see how these fit. So if y'all got these, if y'all got some, let me know. If y'all rock with these, if y'all don't, let me know. Let me know what's going on with these, and we'll get to it. But yeah, these been out for a minute. I think they've been out for at least a year now, maybe 2. If not 2 years, they've been out for at least a year and a half. I remember when they first came out, like yesterday, literally. And this shoe has been on my bucket list to grab since it dropped. So we got it in a great colorway, this Vogue colorway. Great for walking, great for running, great for wearing. So let me know how y'all feel about this cop. If y'all messing with it, if y'all not messing with it, let me know how y'all feel. Me personally, I'm happy this is in my collection. So do me a favor, y'all stay blessed, y'all be blessed. Y'all make sure y'all get everything y'all want, wear what you like, and make sure you follow my TikTok. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and always have a blessed day.